vacuum works very well and it's pretty cheap. But what do you do if the hose won't stay connected? Hi everybody, I'm Bassocantor. Stay tuned, let's check it out.
So here's the problem. This crazy hose just won't stay on. I think there's some little plastic parts that I guess are easy to break off, and no matter what I did, I just couldn't get this hose to stay inside. For this solution, get yourself some heavy-duty zip ties. And what you want to do is you're going to apply 2 ties to the end of the hose and then cut off the extra, just like this. So our scheme is to use zip ties to attach the hose to this blue flange. Notice those 2 holes that I've drilled. That's where I'm going to put the zip ties. And here I'm drilling a hole. Now, here are the zip ties along the hose, and notice that they're attached to another set of zip ties. These zip ties go through those little holes that I just drilled. See how it all connects together? When we're all done, it holds it pretty securely. It holds it good enough. And you can see here, it's not going to fall off.
Well, as you can see, it's not that difficult to fix this hose problem. In Dublin, California, I'm Bassocantor. Thanks for watching, everybody.